Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to demo trade on MEXC. So right now we are here on the webpage and I already created my own account. So first of all you need to do that. And then once you did that and you log into your account, we go right here to futures and go to demo trading right here. Now you will see right here the chart where we can start demo trading. And the first thing that you need to do is claim a balance, because otherwise we can trade. So we scroll down and here at wallet, you see right here, claim demo crypto. Then we fill in right here all, and then we do confirm. And right now, if you can see, we put 50K to our account, and that is also standing now right there. So now what we're gonna do is we create a order with a stop loss or take profit, and I will show you exactly how you can do this. So right now we are here on the Bitcoin to US dollar chart, and let's say we want to create a position on gold. So what we do right here is we search here for gold, and then you see right here that we can click on gold. So now we are having right here the gold chart, and we want to create ourselves a position. So what we're gonna do is we go right here to the order, and then the first thing that you need to select is you can select right here the leverage that you want to create for yourself. Now I don't want to trade with leverage right now, but you can decide what you want to do. So let's click now on confirm. Then we fill in right here how much we want to buy. So let's say we want to buy quantity. Now let's do something like 10. It's fine for now, it's just an example. And then what we can do is right here, click on take profit or stop loss. So right here, if you go to take profit, we can fill in right here on which trigger price he needs to take the profit automatically. So he will close our position. So let's say, gold is standing right now on 5314. So when gold will hit this price range, he will take our profit. So we make around 1%. Now we can also do this for the stop loss. So let's say when he will hit 5K, then he will stop our losses and will close the trade. So you can also decide if you want to do that. And then if you are very secure about your trade, you click right here on open long or open short. So open long if you want to buy, open short if you want to sell. So let's do open long. Then you will see right here your order confirmation. So you see all the details right there. And then we click here on open long. And then now the trade is standing right here. And now you can see right here what we did. So the entry price was this. Right here you see also your margin. And then if you go here to TP and stop loss, you see right here in the green the take profit, and in the red the stop loss. Now if you want to close this trade, you can simply click right here on close long, and then you can fill in how much you want to close, everything or just a little bit. Now we want to close everything. Then you do this and then you click on close long, and now we closed our trade. Now you have also a lot of stuff that you can use right here on the chart. So if you want to create a trend line like this, then you can use it, and you have a lot of options right here that you can use for this nice trading platform right here. And if you click here on the right mouse click, you can click on reset chart, or you have also remove drawing. So this is everything what you need to know if you want to demo trade right here on MEXC. I showed you the basics and the things that maybe can help you out to start demo trading. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.